Need an emergency plumber in Livonia, Michigan? Ultra Plumbing is just a call away. Water everywhere? We handle burst pipes, backups, and leaks fast. Our licensed plumbers are on call and ready to respond, day or night. From clogged toilets to broken water heaters, we've seen it all and fixed it all. Fully insured, professionally trained, locally trusted. When water problems strike, you need a solution now, not tomorrow. Call your go-to emergency plumber in Livonia, Michigan. Ultra Plumbing at 734-9680882 or visit ultraplumbing.com today.